KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, here we are on the back end of the week, and it looks like some very nice weather next couple of days. Moving into the weekend still not looking too bad, but it's going to be warmer, humid, more clouds, but essentially dry. That's the good news. That all changes next week. We'll talk about our next weather maker coming up in just a bit. First off, let's take a look at 24 hours worth of clouds and precipitation and the new nighttime lights featured here on KATC across the U.S. And if you watch closely, you can see the sun going around the earth, but we all know the earth is rotating, except for you flat earthers. Well, we won't even go there. Anyway, we got two weather systems, one on the East Coast, one on the West Coast. The one on the West Coast, big atmospheric river, very heavy rains on the way, flood watches and warnings across much of SoCal up through Central California, and then big snows up across the Sierra Nevada. They're looking at 3 to 5 inches of rain, isolated amounts up to 7, but up to 10 inches of water equivalent in the Sierra Nevada, and that's great news for recharging the water systems. Bad news, though, for mudslides and everything that comes with heavy rainfall in the desert Southwest. Meanwhile, on the other end, here it is, nor'easter number 4, the fourth one in 3 weeks, producing heavy snow across Jersey up through Long Island and coastal portions of New England, upwards of a foot of snow. Once again, these folks have been snake bitten. But also note, I posted this earlier in the week and late last week, the Gulf Stream over here, very, very warm, much warmer than normal. So you have a natural storm zone right here off the East Coast. So there's going to be more storminess there in the weeks to come. Meanwhile, for us, just fair skies, those high-level cirrus clouds moving across the region during the course of the evening and overnight hours. And that's what we're going to see again tomorrow, but mostly sunny skies. High pressure still in charge through tomorrow, but it eventually gets a little bit farther to the east. Light winds tomorrow with the high pressure ridge right near us, but then as it pushes farther to the east, we're going to start to see the winds coming around out of the Gulf of Mexico. A few more clouds Friday, but another mostly sunny day, getting a little bit warmer yet. And then as we head into the weekend, morning clouds Saturday, but afternoon sunshine. This weather system, this is the California system, bypasses us off to the north, but the one behind it is going to be the weather maker across parts of the south. And here we go as we get into Sunday, Palm Sunday. Front gets close to us, but doesn't generate much rain. We'll go 10% rain chances Sunday into Monday, but watch how the storms begin to develop across Texas, Oklahoma, up through Arkansas. Some heavy rainfall developing here. It continues slowly eastward into Wednesday. Few showers by Wednesday here, but Thursday it looks like heaviest rains will be on the way. And we'll have to keep an eye on that. Can't rule out severe weather and a rainfall of several inches. So we'll watch that. In the near term, though, tonight another nice cool one. Enjoy the cool air. Lower 40s tonight. This may be the last for the lower 40s, but I'm not prepared to say we're done with the 40s quite yet, but we will be for the better part of the next 2 weeks. Mid 40s, high 10 quarter, and 40s along the coast as well. And then after that chilly start, temperatures getting into the lower 70s tomorrow afternoon. 45 in Lafayette, feeling good out there. Great sleeping weather once again tomorrow. 72 the high, another gorgeous day. And as we move into the next 5 days, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s Friday, lower 80s this weekend, and then going into next week, rain chances on the way up, especially for next Thursday. But if it all works out, we could have a very nice Easter weekend, and we'll watch that and talk more about that in the days to come, especially when the weather's good right now.
All righty, thank you, Rob. Still ahead on KATC.